Have you ever wondered how Python, one of the most popular programming languages, is utilized in web development? Python, renowned for its simplicity and readability, has found a special place in the realm of web development. With its wide array of frameworks and libraries, Python has become a go-to language for developers looking to create dynamic, robust, and scalable web applications. From simple websites to complex web services, Python's versatility makes it an indispensable tool in the modern web developer's arsenal. So, you may ask, how exactly does Python fit into the web development picture? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the process of Python web development. Before diving into coding, it's crucial to set up the right environment for Python web development. First things first, have Python installed on your system. If it's not, head over to Python's official website and download the latest version. Once installed, verify the installation by typing Python in your command prompt or terminal. Next, let's create a virtual environment. This is a self-contained environment that allows you to manage Python packages for each of your projects separately, preventing potential conflicts. You can set it up using venv, a module that comes bundled with Python. Just navigate to your project directory and run the command python3 m-venv-mienv, replacing mienv with your preferred name. Now activate the virtual environment. On Windows, use myenv scripts activate, and on Unix or macOS, use source myenv/bin/activate. Once activated, your terminal or command prompt should show the name of your environment. Finally, it's time to install necessary packages and libraries. For web development, Flask and Django are popular choices. To install, simply run pip install Flask or pip install Django in your terminal or command prompt. Now that your environment is set, you're ready to start developing with Python. Python offers a variety of frameworks for web development, each with its unique features and advantages. Amongst these, some stand out due to their popularity and robustness. Django, a high-level framework, is one of them. It's widely used for building complex, database-driven websites, thanks to its emphasis on reusability and low coupling. It's perfect for projects where deadlines are key, as it allows for rapid development. Then we have Flask, a micro-framework that's lightweight and easy to use. Its simplicity and fine-grained control make it ideal for small to medium applications, especially those that require more flexibility. It's a great choice if you're starting out with Python web development, or if you prefer a less cluttered, more hands-on approach. But these are just a couple of the many Python frameworks out there. Others, like Pyramid and TurboGears, also offer their own unique advantages. It's all about finding the one that fits your project's needs and your own development style the best. Remember, choosing the right framework is the first step towards successful Python web development. Now that you've chosen your framework, it's time to dive into the process of Python web development. Let's break it down into manageable steps to make it easier to grasp. First off, we start by creating a new project. This is where we lay the groundwork for our application. Depending on the Python framework you've chosen, the process may differ slightly. However, the general idea remains the same: setting up the project structure, specifying dependencies, and configuring the environment. Next, we build a simple web page. This is where Python's simplicity and readability shine. We'll define routes, create views, and design templates. Remember, the key here is to keep it simple. At this stage, focus on creating functional, clean code. The bells and whistles can come later. Once our web page is built, it's time to run the application. This is the fun part where we get to see our code come to life. We'll start up our server, navigate to our local host, and voila! Our simple web page is live and kicking. But what if something goes wrong? That's where debugging comes in. Python's robust error handling and extensive libraries make debugging a breeze. We'll go through the error logs, identify the issue, and fix it. Remember, every bug is a learning opportunity. Finally, we deploy our application. This is where we make our web page available for others to see. We'll choose a hosting service, upload our code, and set up our domain. It might seem daunting, but don't worry. Python's supportive community and extensive documentation make it easier than you think. And there you have it, a basic web application developed using Python. The journey doesn't end here. There's always more to learn, more to explore. But for now, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. You've taken a significant step in your Python web development journey. So, what have we learned from this quick journey into Python web development? We've seen how to set up the environment, making sure everything is primed for your coding adventure. We've also delved into the diverse Python frameworks available, each with its unique strengths. Lastly, we've navigated through the basic process of Python web development, giving you a taste of what it entails. Remember, Python web development is a vast field with lots to explore. This video serves as a stepping stone into this exciting world. Happy coding!